How do you post in 1080 by 1350 on Instagram? Let's go. I'll show you how. If you already have the image, you can skip ahead a bit in the video and go straight to the posting part. If you don't have it yet, what are you going to do? You're going to download Canva on your phone, okay? It's already downloaded here. Basically, you go into the Play Store, click on the magnifying glass, type in Canva, click on the option that appears, and here you'll have the option to install it. Mine is already installed, guys, so I'm going to click to open it because here it will give me the option to simply create a design with a custom size, and I can set it to 1080 by 1350 for Instagram. So I can click here on custom size after logging into Canva. Now you simply enter the width, in this case 1080 by 1350. Once you've entered it, the option create new design will appear and you click it. I've already come to this page, okay guys? And on the template page, you can swipe down with your finger on the screen and it will show your design. Here, you can simply use one of the designs you saw earlier. If I click here on template, as you can see, there's an option for me to choose one of these templates, okay? I can, for example, say, oh, I want this template here to edit. I can click, I can place it here, and then I can edit it, type in the text, basically make any changes I want to this template. If I don't want this template here, and I want a photo that I have on my phone, what should I do? Here's what you'll do. You go back. You can go back. Here is the format. You click on Create New Design. It appears here. You scroll down, press on this white area. By pressing and releasing, the word replace will appear. You click on replace and then you give permission here to access your photos. I'm going to click continue, I'll allow it here, and then I can access my gallery. I can either pick an image from my gallery or take a photo in real time to put it in the 1080 by 1300 format. So let's suppose I want to post this image here in this format. So select it, it will open here and it's already in the format I want, okay? I can make edits down here as you can see. Now what do? I download it to my phone so I can post it on Instagram. So I'm going to click here to download. It will prepare the image, you wait a bit and it will already be saved in your phone's gallery. Now let's go so we can make the post. Now here on Instagram, you click on the plus sign. By clicking on the plus sign, the first image that will appear is the one you just finished editing, set to the 1080 format. You simply click next. Here you can make edits below, as you can see, add audio, text, in short, edit. I'm not going to do anything, I'll leave it in the format I want, I just want to post it in this format. Click next, it will process. You come here to the page where you can make more settings anyway, as you can see here. You can add audio, tag people, add location, but I'm not going to do any of that. We can also select here who can see this image. I'm just going to click share and I'll be posting it here, guys, in the 1080 by 1350 format on Instagram, okay? Post made, the post will already appear here, okay? So that's it. If I helped, don't forget, help me to subscribe to the channel.